How to set up video premiere on your mobile phone. First is you need to sign in with your YouTube channel on your mobile phone using the YouTube application. Click on the YouTube application and then click the plus button below. Click upload a video and select the video that you want to upload. Click on that and then write a title for this video. You can also add description, location, and you can also add this to your playlist. After writing the title, click on the public button and then select scheduled button. Choose the date, and if you're set, click OK. Choose the time, and if you're also set, then click OK. As you can see, it's already scheduled. Then click next. Click the no it's not made for kids if it's not made for kids button, and if you need to have an age restriction, then go for that. Click upload. To check if the video is uploaded completely, go to your library and you can see that your video is still uploading. You will know that it's completed once it's already marked checked. Alright, so the video is now uploaded completely. Click on that. And then, as you can see on your video, there is a lock button. Click on the three dots on the right side and then click edit. Click the schedule button and then click or check the box set as premiere. After that, you click the arrow back button and save. Alright, so that's it. Your video is now uploaded as premiere. Congratulations, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to share. And for more videos, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.